What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders doing some post-market scans today on August the 27th. And right now I'm looking at ticker symbol IZEA, and I have the daily chart pulled up for the past few months. And it looks like the bulls have been showing a lot of strength in the last few months. Prices climbed above the 200 and the 58-day SMA, the orange and purple line right here, and have held those gains for a considerable amount of time, showing that the bulls have some real strength behind this, and there might be another bullish move to come. So the price has moved up all the way to 313 before pulling back, so there's some great range this ticker can move. And the pullback has happened, giving up a lot of its previous gains and then having a bounces. And where it did have a bounce was kind of interesting to me, and I wanted to map that out. And before I get into the details, please hit the like button on this video and subscribe to our channel. We have these new videos up daily, highlighting some areas where you can make some profits. Anyways, back into the chart, we see that the $1 range has been an area of support for quite a while now. Price has not been able really to break below that and has bounced off it, and now has came back down to retest it once again and bounce off that, making some higher lows as it has. Now going into it more of a intraday price action, we have the 10-day 30-minute chart, and you can see that the price has pulled down over the past few days, again hitting that $1 area slightly, 102, and then bouncing up and having a nice bullish movement today with a considerable amount of increased volume behind it, and this is what has caught my eye. So now in this time frame, we're going to be mapping out a couple areas. First off, I see 120 being some support. Past couple days, it has acted as support over here before failing, falling below it, and acting as resistance, which is very common. When you see support break down to the lower side, it usually does become an area of resistance, and that goes for resistances being broken to the upside. They usually become support, as it has here. It has broken above, the price has broken above the 120 resistance, came back down to retest it as support. So now as a bull going forward, you're going to want to see this 120 area hold. Not only is it an area of support with price action, you can see the 200 SMA and the 50 SMA here, and these can also act as support and resistance. So there's a lot of good support right here, and we're going to be looking for a bounce off this area up to the resistance. And we have resistance looks like right about the 135 area right here. So 135 is going to be another area of interest. I'm going to be looking for a bounce up to here and possibly a breakout past that, or past the 140 as well. I know the price did come up here a little bit, but for most part, a lot of the action was down to 135. So look for 135 and the 140 area to be broken with an increased amount of action in volume to have that price action be considered like a cement bullish move. And if you're going to be looking to maybe get a possible bounce play, 120 is a interesting area, and $1 is also a very interesting area. If you're looking to swing this maybe in a long term and you're looking to build a long position slowly. Anyways, traders, I hope you liked the video. Please hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more of these. We are posting them daily. And follow us on StockTwits, Facebook, and Instagram. Until next time, traders, stay profitable.